Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is go for a long term. So let's try to understand today's topic. So first I will give you the introduction, then I will go through these points. Okay. So in the introduction part, as we know that the time in the market beats the timing the market. These words has been spoken by many or greatest investor for all time. Every trader, every investor faces two choices: chase a quick profit, like they want to make their profit quickly, or they want to double their capital. They get caught in short term volatility and stress daily over small fluctuations. Wherein the long term investment or investor, they invest for a long term, let the time do the work, and build the wealth with steadily. What's the difference in this? Like, short term traders worry about daily price changes, whereas long term investors focus on building the wealth over the decades. In these sessions, let's explore why long term investing is the ultimate wealth building strategy. So, my first point is that time in the market beats time the market always. Many traders believe that they can predict every market move, right? They try to buy at the bottom and sell at the top, but no one can time the market perfectly every time. The truth is, longer you stay invested, the greater your chance of success. Investor who holds for years outperform those who trade frequently. The stock market historical trends upward despite short-term fluctuations. Long-term investing lets compounding works like it's magic. Next point is that wealth isn't created in a minute. It's built over the years with patience. Well, wealth isn't made in a day. It's built breaks by breaks, trade by trade, investment by the investment. The stock market is like a planting a tree. You don't dig the roots every day to see if it is growing or not. We don't do that, right? Instead, you let it grow. We water it. We wait for the become a stronger. Patience is the key to wealth. Successful investors like a Warren Buffett didn't become billionaires overnight. They invested, they hold the positions, they reinvested and let the time do the work. Next point is that go for a long term because real growth takes time, not a tricks. There are no shortcuts in investing, only smart decision. Long term investing means less stress, no panic over daily market moves, lower taxes. Long term capital gains that are taxes less than the frequent traders. Compounding works better. Reinvesting the profit leads to growth. Next point is market fluctuate but long term discipline the compounds. Every market goes up and down as we know. Short term investor panic, long term investors see is there in an opportunity. Like we know that in 2008 market got crash, in 2020 due to the COVID market got crash, yet they record always. Correction and crashes are temporary, but the market grows is long term. Discipline and patience turns every crisis into a profit. Think about this way: a tree that grows through the storm becomes stronger. The portfolio that survives the market corrections between the he will be a wealthier. Stay disciplined, ignore the noise and focus on big picture. Next point is that when you go for a long term, short term noise becomes irrelevant. As we know that daily news creates a fear, long term visions creates a wealth. In our media, they love to have the fears. They talk about the crashes, they talk about the recessions, they talk about the bad news every day. but the market keeps moving forward, growing over the years and decades. Long term investors don't get distracted by daily noise. Short term get panic, and the long term visions is really a wealth. So imagine example, I just want to give you that. Imagine you check your property value every day. I don't think so. Would that make sense? No, right? Check after years and see how it has grown up. Same example applies in the stock market as well. Daily movements don't matter, the long term trends does. Next point is that the market rewards those who wait, not those who rush. Patience in the market turns small investment into the future of well investors. Short term traders chase the profit but often end up losing. Long term investors stay calm and let their investment grow. The stock market is a machine that rewards the patient. If you hold a stock for a week, you are speculating. If you hold a stock for a decades, you are the investing. Wealth is built by waiting, not by rushing. The next point is that a long term mindset turns the volatility and opportunity. Every dip is a chance to buy, not a reason to panic. Market always fluctuate, but that volatility is an opportunity. Short-term traders panic during the market dips. Long-term investors see that is there any buying opportunity. The best investor buy when others are afraid and hold when others are panic. The next one is that you don't need to watch the stock market daily. You need to trust on a yearly. Checking your investment daily will make you anxious, right? Checking them yearly will make you rich. Long-term investors don't look the prices every minute. They trust their research and let the time do the work. The market doesn't need your attention. Remember, it's only needs your patience. And the last one is that long-term investment investors sleep better and grow richer. Trader who chase the daily profit are stress. Investor who holds for a long term sleep peaceful. No stress over the market crashes. No anxiety over the short term losses. Just steady, consistent growth over the period of time. Wealth isn't built overnight, but over the decades of the small investing. So, hope this is today's theory lecture is clear, and I will take through the next lecture through the chart, and I will explain you how the long term basically works over there. Thank you very much. Thank you.